All right, so here's what I'm doing. My wife has been talking to contractors. Don't ever let your wife talk to contractors without you, right? They take advantage. They were saying $50,000, $60,000 for a pool, brick deck, all this kind of, you need a top now, all that. Silliness. So what I did, I went and took my dog, my truck, my trailer, and I got this pool from Home Depot. Tractor Supply, $350. I already got my tractor, I got some dirt laid. I'm gonna set her up with the pool of her dreams, $500 total. Up, baby. $500. 50,000. Silliness. Oh, level. Some water on here. Woo! Filling up the pool. Filling up water. Oh, I got a kink in my hose. Woo! Listen, $500. And guess what? I'm gonna have a fire pit out here later. I might get her some sticks to walk on. Look at this. Even got a bucket. I gotta get the leaves out. Rinse your feet off and you're in the pool. $500.